In this module, you'll learn about things to do.
To walk. Magna. 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 To give. Ited. 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 To hear. Dumngeg. 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 To smell. Agangot. 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 To play. Agay-ayam. 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 To laugh. Agkatawa. 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 To eat. Mangan. 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 To swim. Aglangoy. Aglangoy. Aglangoy.
Please subscribe to Dialect 101's YouTube channel or visit www.dialect101.com, the easiest way to learn languages.